Myself Sairushi Vilasgure. Today I am going to say some information about Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule was born on 3rd January 1831 in the village of Naigaon in Satara district, Maharashtra. Savitribai Phule was an Indian reformer and poet from Maharashtra. She is regarded as the first female teacher of India. Along with her husband, Jyotirao Phule, she played an important and vital role in improving women's rights in India. She is regarded as a mother of Indian feminism. Phule and her husband founded one of the first Indian girls' school at Pune in Bhidewada in 1848. She worked to abolish the discrimination and unfair treatment of people based on caste and gender. She is regarded as an important figure of the social reform movement in Maharashtra. At the time of her marriage, Savitribai was illiterate. Jyotirao educated Savitribai at their home. After completing her primary education with Jyotirao, her further education was the responsibility of her friends Sakaram Yashwantrao Paranspe and Keshav Shivram Bhavalkar. She also enrolled herself in two teachers training programs. The first was the institution run by an American missionary in Ahmednagar, and the second was a normal school in Pune. Savitri's birthday, that is 3rd January, is celebrated as Balika Din in whole of Maharashtra, especially in girls' school. Savitribai Phule and her adopted son Yashwantrao opened a clinic to treat those affected peoples by worldwide. The third pandemic of bubonic plague, when it appears in the area around the Nalasopara in 1897, Savitribai Phule did the heroic death by trying to save the son of Panduranga Balaji Gaikwad. Upon learning the Gaikwad sons, Savitribai Phule rushed to his side and carried him on her back to the hospital. In this process, Savitribai Phule caught the plague and died on 9 am 10th March 1897. Women's education is necessary for the growth of the country. Women are often not educated because of age-old belief that they must remain at home. However, times are changing and today the demand for education is more. Women's education in India is essential to remove the social evils that prevent them from getting on education. Through education, they can learn about how to take care of their health and hygiene. They can also start working and earn money. It will improve their standard of living. Education also contributes to the growth of development of India. Education for women in cities and villages is essential. International Literacy Day, that is commemorated all over the world, including India, on 8th September. The female literacy rate at the time of independence is 8.6%. The 2011 census show that the female literacy rate is 65.5%. Of women will help them to contribute financially and improve their standard of living. As they contribute to the workforce, they make their mark in the India's development. The spread of education in urban and rural areas is necessary. Some of the government schemes to promote women's education are Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana, Sarva Shikshak Abhiyan Yojana, Rashtriya Mahila Kosh and Mahila Sakhi Kendra. Women's education will help to eradicate the discrimination and stigma that women face today. Educated women in India can also contribute to the India's developing economy as well as making India a more socially developed country as well. There are many schemes in India to help women rescue education which will empower women. Thank you and have a nice day.